Hi friends, there is nothing important like a website when you are planning to promote your business. I have seen in my experience the simple and the clean website performs well in comparison to design cluttered websites. In this video, I have a very wonderful and stunning look to the point WordPress theme through which we can really create wonderful website landing pages for promoting our businesses, and that too we have multiple options for home pages, or you can say the pre-made websites. There are many, and you will get all the complete pages, internal pages ready to serve. Just you need to put your content, and it is really amazing design WordPress theme, and it is Larch. Larch is a responsive, minimal, multi-purpose WordPress theme, and it is really a great theme, and it has been developed by Upper. And Upper are elite author, and this theme came into existence in this year only. Okay, sorry. So this theme came into existence in 2018, and the last update was done few days back when I am recording this video. And it has been definitely made by Invato elite author. The theme is well available on the theme forest, and you can follow the link given in the description of this video to get this theme. But yes, you need to understand the complete features and functionality of this theme before you decide using this theme for your upcoming website project. As I said, we have multiple choices of demo. So I can see there are 17 pre-made websites, demo website that is available with this theme, and you can also get 6 stunning one pages just in case if you are willing to create one page website. And I have already shown you some wonderful examples of website and that has been made using Larch WordPress theme. And of course Larch is compatible with the latest WordPress versions, and all requirements can be fulfilled. Technical requirements are fulfilled here, and you can start using this website. And the great thing is that this theme is WordPress 5.0 and Gutenberg ready, and so there are tons of amazing templates included with this theme. This is why I have chosen this theme to be on this channel, because I am bringing all the hand-picked and well selected tested WordPress theme for your website projects, and you can use this Larch WordPress theme. But yes, we have to understand its complete features and what is laying under the admin panels, how we can actually customize our website. So we need to install this Larch WordPress theme, and we are going to overview the functionalities, and we will create a demo website like any of these. We will overview the theme options, basic customization option. So stay tuned with me until the end of this video, and only decide the theme when you are really satisfied. So let us start. So I am assuming you have already taken a domain name and a WordPress optimized hosting plan. If still you have not taken the hosting plan, just consider taking it via WP Themes website. Again, you can follow the link given in the description, and you will get this complete hosting, WordPress optimized hosting with cPanel and all controls for your website. And it is really important to have a full controlled and fully managed hosting for your WordPress website. So I have already installed a core WordPress. WordPress core is installed on a hosting plan, and by default it is running 2022 WordPress theme. So we have to start from here, and first of all I will show you why you need a suitable hosting plan. So go to the tools, click on site health, and I can wait for this great job message. So you have to start from this screen. It should always say everything is running smoothly here. Until you have done these things, all parameters of PHP and rest of things are good you cannot start, in fact you should not start the installation. So all should be good, and it can be evolved in a WordPress optimized hosting plans. I'll show you the theme pack. In the theme pack I have some plugins. There are in fact multiple plugins like Visual Composer, Larch Custom Post Types, Revolution Slider, Ultimate VC add-ons, and Inverter Market, Cube Portfolio. So there are multiple plugins that is available in the theme pack itself: licensing, documentation, changelog, main theme file, and the child theme file. Of course we need to install this main theme file. This is only the installable file, and rest of things can be used whenever is required during the installation process. To start with the installation, we have to be in the appearance section of core installation of WordPress and click on themes. By default 2022 is here, and we can simply add new theme, upload theme, choose file, and here we need to choose larch.zip file. So it is a small size file, it is just showing 4.7 MB. We can simply upload this file using this WordPress interface. However, if you are having direct access on your server, you can directly upload the theme pack in the WP content themes folder through the file manager or the FTP, as whatever access you are having. But yes, we are having a very potential server, so we can use this WordPress interface, and you can see the theme has been uploaded successfully within few seconds when we are talking about this. So it is simply saying theme installed successfully, and we can go to the theme page, and Larch is available as another theme option along with the default theme. Let us check the details. This is Larch version 2.2 by Upper. So as I said, Upper is being the original developer of this theme, and the theme is well available on the theme forest. You have to follow the link given in the description. Follow the link of buy button link, buy link, and you can avail this theme, buy this theme. And when you are buying this theme by following the link in the description, you shall be getting our support, of course. And again, this is the latest version 2.2 as on date. This is the latest version. When you are ordering the theme by the link of video description, you might be getting an updated version, but the installation process and the basic features will remain almost same. Let us activate the theme, and upon activation we have an alert that we need to install certain plugins, and before that we need to change the PHP values. So I can see all values, and we need a memory limit of 3000 M. So if you are having access on your server, you can do this simply through the PHP INI manager, and if you are not having access, so you can use a plugin called WP htaccess editor. So I have already created a video. Last video is about this, so you can follow that video how you can actually edit the htaccess and all. So what I'll do, I'll simply fulfill these requirements through PHP INI PHP editor, and I am having all the access, as you can also avail through the WP themes website. So PHP INI editor is here, and I can choose the instance, and we need to increase the memory limit. So this is currently 1000 M, and we can simply put it 3000 M and simply save it, and we can check on the tools, site health, info, and server, and now the PHP memory limit is 3000. So you need to fulfill all these requirements that has been suggested by the theme developer, and don't proceed ahead. I mean, don't move ahead without changing these parameters. It is very important. And next, what we can do, we can install the required set of plugins, and let us see what is here. So I can see there are 9 plugins that has been marked as required and recommended. Mostly are required. Contact form 7 is here, like all websites. Cube portfolio in watermark, custom post types and revolution slider is included. This theme uses WP Bakery Visual Composer, has a page editor, ultimate add-ons for Visual Composer, and really simple captcha for forms and widget importer exporter. So what I'll do, I'll install plugins one by one to avoid any error during the installation process. And it is very simple to install plugins, and it can be done within a minute. If it is just 9 plugins, it is very simple. So I'm installing one by one. However, you can even install the plugins in one go just in case, but better to install one by one to avoid any error, and it will hardly take a minute, as I said. You might be knowing all these steps, but the thing and the important thing about this video is you are going to know what is lying inside the theme, and you cannot understand without having this theme. So this is why this video is being made. So it is showing you the inner strength of this theme. So okay, all the plugins has been installed, and what I am doing next, I am going to activate all these plugins in one go. It can be done. Okay, so I believe all the plugins has been installed and activated successfully. This is just a welcome page of Revolution slider. Go back to the dashboard, and we can check all plugins whether all has been activated successfully. Yes, all is here and all has been activated successfully. So 10 plugins are here. One I am using for me, and rest 9 is for this theme, that is for Larch theme. So all is here, and come back to the dashboard. We are fine with all set of plugins along with the theme, and we can take a look of our website, how it looks. This is the basic look of website, and it is of course not having any demo content as of now, so we need to import the demo content at this stage to make a target website like any of this. So we have multiple options, and I like this one very much. For just in case if you are making a landing page, you should choose this layout, because you need to have a contact form on the top of the hero image. Okay, so there are multiple options. As I said, you can choose any as per your requirement and choice. So okay, this is also very good, and it is presenting the content in a very specific manner. Okay, let us proceed towards importing the demo, and I will find the option where we can do this. So this will be crossed, and under appearance I can see the large options, large style options, and large demo. I will definitely show you all these things, but first of all let us proceed for large demos. And we have already fulfilled these requirements. We can choose the desired layout that we need for our website, and I am choosing with all 18 demos and demo multi-page. So this is being the default for me, and I am going to import this, but you can choose anyone as per your requirement, as I said. So I'm activating this one, and let us see what happens at the next step. Okay, so applying the demo, this is the process of demo import that is very wonderful that I have seen in this theme, and it is simply saying everything what is going behind the screen, and it is applying demo 15%, theme reactivation okay, plugin installed okay, panels option okay. So it is saying everything. So we need to wait on this screen until we get any another message. So it is now on 61%. It is not taking much time. It will hardly take a minute or two. So let us be on this screen without disturbing the screen. Don't hit the back button, don't refresh the page. It is very important to process to be completed when we are needing the demo content for our website and important contents. And I believe it is bringing all the images, and the duration of demo import also depends on your internet speed, your web server capacity, and the connection with the developer server. So all dependent things are here. Just wait on this screen, and it took around 10 minutes for me at least. So it is now showing 100% and everything is okay here, and theme reactivation okay, plugins installed okay, panels okay, contents okay, set menu and import widget. So everything is okay. And what we can check, I believe we have received multiple media files. This is why it took time, and 354 media items that we have received in this demo import, and it is a very big number in fact. So this is great that we have received all the media contents we can use at our website as well. So please process almost complete, okay to continue. Okay, let us press okay, and it is again applying demo, and almost done, just few moments now. So let us wait for a very good message on the screen. So it is applying the demo finally, and we have imported the demo successfully. It is great. So just keep in mind, you have to make the necessary changes in PHP value. All done. Enjoy messages here, and we can check our website now. So I'm just opening the website, and yes, it is here. So the complete website is here. This is creative and bold, and as we expected, we have got everything, all the images, and the complete website is here. And we have 13 home pages as we decided to choose as our demo website. So we have multiple options, and you can choose other demos as well, but we have chosen the very first one, and we got around 13-14 home pages in this import, and we can check. It is really great. So it is a wonderful experience while I installed this theme, and it is really great look, and speed is also very good. So you can see the design standards. So it is really very stunning. And if we talk about the internal pages, we have multiple versions of about and internal pages as well. Elements, we have multiple elements. We can use these elements during our website customization, portfolio items, blog, and even this theme well supports the shop. I mean, you can use this theme for e-commerce activities as well. So it goes without saying, everything is fine, and we got the complete website, and it is really all pages or internal pages has been nicely crafted. So you can choose any pages for your services, about, and everything. Complete website is here, and now we can go back to the dashboard to overview rest of the features. As I said, I'll show you each and everything. So first of all, we have already used the Larch demos, and I'll show you the Larch options. This is basically theme options, and it is very simple but effective. So website loading, enable website loading, smooth scroll, update on scroll. So these are some general settings, and you can simply click on these settings. Projects, blog, archives, shop, and under construction mode. Header layout, you can decide which header is good for you. By default header is set, but of course you can change the values, and the options are here. So you can use the header shrink effect, header after scroll effect, fixed header, and all such things are here. So all these great options are here. Widgets area, slider setting. I'm just giving you an glimpse what actually you can do. Newsletter settings, so MailChimp is to be used for newsletter. And language settings, you can change the language settings like breadcrumb home. Like you can change the navigations names, in fact letters from Twitter, so you can change the wordings here, next project, blog, so wherever is required, so you can change. Social networks, custom CSS you can use, and import export option is also here. The next is very important, that is Larch style option. This is the basic customization option in fact, and here you can change the complete color. So this is very good thing with this theme, that we have complete control over colors and everything. You can simply explore these options like layout option and color options, website loading, header, top bar. So this is basically the complete customization options. Like logo type, you can use the logo type, margin top, menus, sliding panels, search options, page titles, footer, typography, and import export options. This is basically broad options. So these three options are main for completing the content and customizing the content. Large option, large style options, large demos, and I'll show you more things like cube portfolio is here. To handle the portfolio items, you have to work on these sections. Just keep in mind the thing that you are not using at your website should be deleted, and like theme scroller and latest projects also, these are important things. And you can check the partners here, like if you are willing to use the partners area like logos, so you can simply edit these options. And again, if you are not using the things, you have to delete. So just partners is basically for putting the logos and of partners. Okay, so I'll show you queue posts, so just in case if you are using this. So projects is the next. I'm just showing the new things that is in addition to WordPress defaults. Like this is the projects, and you can again edit the projects here. Okay, so just in case if you are willing to edit the projects using the WP Bakery, as I said, this theme uses WP Bakery. What you have to do, you have to enable the WP Bakery under general settings and role manager. So it was on pages only. You can select custom, and you can use it at where we are using. This is projects. Okay, so where is projects, post, please. Okay, so I am enabling it everywhere simply, and we can refresh this page. And the editor will be well available. So it is simple to edit the contents using WP Bakery page builder, and you will be fine while using these options. I'll also show you the theme. Like you can edit the themes. Just click on the pencil button and edit the contents. Keep in mind, you have to delete those items that you are not using at your website. It is very important from the SEO perspectives. Okay, so finally I'm going to show you how you can edit the front end, I mean the page contents. So this is very simple to edit. Like let us suppose we are editing this home page. So just open the page that you want to edit, click on edit with WP Bakery page builder, and the loader will help you in editing the contents. You can also use the backend editor, that is more convenient, at least for me. So this is the slider area. Slider area is to be edited from the Revolution slider. Rest of things can be edited here. Just click on the pencil icon. Keep in mind, you have to use same length of text and same dimension of images that have been used in the demo content, so that you may maintain the design integrity. In the backend editor, it is more convenient, I believe. Okay, so this is slider area. Choose the home template style, slider, image or video, so whatever you want to have at your home style. And you can change the parallax effect and homepage slider, like home one light style is here. So just in case if you are willing to use slider, you have to edit the slider in the slider revolution section. Like there are many sliders that has been given in the demo content, like 1 page, 3 page, like this one has been used at our homepage. If you are editing the revolution slider very first time, you can take a backup. I mean, if you are not confident how to edit the revolution sliders, I will advise you to take a backup. It is simple. You can click on drop down and click on duplicate to create a backup, and you can simply edit the slider contents by clicking on the pencil icon. I'll show you. Just click on the area and the content will be available to edit. And if you are editing the background image, like you can click on this image icon and upload in the media library. It is simple, but you have to be very careful, and while saving the images, optimize file sizes. And coming back to the page, desktop content can be edited simply. Just in case if you are not willing to have any particular area, you can simply delete that particular section at your page. And also you can take a backup of your page, just in case if you are willing to have a backup, you can use any duplicator plugin like WP duplicate pages, so that just in case if you made any mistake, you can restore the page. I believe I have shown you much of things about this theme, and now you can take your wide decision about this theme. We have created a wonderful website using this theme, so we have multiple options as well, and it is suitable for businesses in respect of technology, the speed that it is using and loading, and the design styles. It is really awesome. So I feel you can use this theme for your website project. Okay, so let us meet in another video. I believe you are going to start a website using Larch theme, and again you have to follow the links in the descriptions. And if you are coming to the channel very first time and yet not subscribe the channel, I request you to subscribe this channel. I am working very hard for bringing the wonderful WordPress resources for you. So keep watching, keep building. Thank you.